Hey, what's up guys, hope you all are doing absolutely great and welcome back to another episode of Tips and Tricks. And in this episode of Tips and Tricks, we are going to see how we can get internet speed monitor on our Mac, or the internet speed meter, anything you can say. Let's go inside of my Mac and let's see how we can get internet speed meter on the Mac. Alright everyone, now we are at our computer screen and let's see how we can get this internet speed monitor. Right now, as you can see, there is nothing on our taskbar. If I go to youtube.com, you won't be able to see what is the speed going on, but with the help of this application we can exactly do that. As you can see, YouTube loaded, there is no indication like what is exactly going on. So to view the internet speed on your taskbar, you need this application called iStatMenus. iStatMenus. As you can see, here is the Bdjango iStatMenus and you need to click on this link. Over here, as you can see, iStatMenus 6, and I have already installed these applications, and that is the reason I'm not going to install these applications over again. By the way, this application is not free, I know that, but I haven't found any better application than this one, because it will not only help you to see the internet speed, it will also help you to see the CPU performance, GPU performance, RAM performance, battery performance, even the weather. Anyway, so you need to download this version 6. If you click on download, the version 6 will start to download. If you click on download iStatMenus version 5.3.2, then it will start downloading, but I will suggest you to go with download and it will be good to go. As you can see, iStatMenus 4.6.0, and I bought these applications around 2 weeks back, and that is the reason I'm using it right now. Anyway, I'm not going to install these applications again because it's like typical macOS application installation, so I'm going to go outside of this and I'm going to open iStatMenus, and here you can see I have already installed these applications, registered this application. Now I have total control over these applications. I need to click on this global and turn it on, and after that click the notifications turn on, and here you can see we have the weather, CPU, GPU, memory, disk, network, sensors, battery power, live, and the combined sections, where if I click on combine, there will be all of the things in a row. As you can see, we have all of the things but in a row, and I really don't like this combined section because other things I use clean my Mac X. In this particular video, we're going to see how you can get the internet speed monitor. So here you can see, here is the network section, so you need to toggle this back on, and after a little while, here you can see we have the internet speed monitor. We can see our IP address, our LAN port things, which application is using the most internet or things like that. Right now, if I go to Google Chrome, wait a little, let me show you. If I go to Google Chrome and open YouTube, then you will be able to see Google Chrome is using the internet. Here, as you can see, the Google Chrome is using the most internet. After that, iStatMenus is using very little. If I open any video like this video maybe, okay, as you can see, 370 kilobytes per second, and over here you can also see the same things. The internet speed meter is going on. So that is how you can get internet speed monitor on your Mac, and I know it's not free, but I haven't found any better application than this one. Anyway, so that was all for this one. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe, be sure to press the bell icon for this kind of tips and tricks, reviews, things like that, and I believe you will love all of them. Be sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon, otherwise you'll not get the notification. Be sure to comment down, I'll be really happy to check that out. If there is something as good as this one and also free, be sure to comment down, I'll be really happy to check that out. Okay, goodbye, until next time.